What if I told you that the barren, dusty words of Mars, the planet we've always seen as a desolate wasteland, might actually hide vast oceans of water beneath its surface? Yes, you heard it right. NASA's latest discoveries could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the red planet. But what does this mean for the future of life on Mars? Could we really be on the brink of a methane water revolution that opens the door to colonization? Mars has always fascinated us, whether it is through science fiction or the real science that has brought us closer to understanding our celestial neighbor. For decades, we've sent rovers, orbiters, and even dreams of setting foot on its surface. But until now, one of the biggest questions has always been, where is the water? Because as we know, where there is water, there could be life. Recent discoveries have shown us hints of water in Mars history. Ancient riverbeds, ice caps, and even seasonal streaks that suggest liquid water might still flow. But NASA's new discoveries go beyond what we ever expected. Let's dig into what they have found and why it is so groundbreaking. So, what exactly did NASA discover? Using advanced radar systems from orbiters like the Mars's Reconnaissance Orbiter, scientists have detected signs that Mars might have vast reservoirs of liquid water hidden beneath its surface. We are talking about oceans that could rival Earth, buried deep below the methane crust. This is not just frozen ice caps we're familiar with. This could be the key to unlocking Mars's potential for life. These findings suggest that Mars might have had, or still has, a much wetter past than we previously thought. And here is the kicker. These hidden oceans could be relatively close to the surface, protected by a layer of ice or rock, which means they might be accessible for future exploration and even habitation. But what does this mean for future Mars missions? And how could this discovery change our plans for living on the red planet? That's where things get really interesting. With the potential of oceans of Mars, we are looking at possibilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. Let's explore some of the theories and implications of living on a Mars with abundant water. First off, water is essential for life, not just for drinking, but for growing food, producing oxygen, and even creating fuel. If we can tap into these underground oceans, we could essentially terraform parts of Mars to support human life. Imagine colonies where we extract water from beneath the surface, use it to grow crops in methane greenhouses, and even generate breathable air. The possibilities are endless. But there are also wild theories that take it even further. Some scientists speculate that if these oceans have been stable for long enough, they might even harbor some forms of microbial life. Discovering life on Mars, even at the microscopic level, would be one of the greatest scientific achievements of all time, completely changing our understanding of life in the universe. And then there is the idea of using these water resources to fuel our journeys deeper into space. Water can be split into hydrogens and oxygen, the key components for rocket fuel. Mars could become a refueling station for missions venturing even further into the solar system, maybe even to the moons of Jupiter or Saturn. But of course, these ideas come with challenges, logistics, technology, and the harsh conditions of Mars. However, The discovery of oceans on Mars opens up a world of possibilities that we're only just beginning to understand. The scientific community is buzzing with excitement and question. What are these underground oceans like? How do we reach them? And most importantly, what do they mean for our future on Mars? NASA and other space agencies are already looking at the next steps. Future missions could include drilling into the methane crust to sample the water directly, or sending more sophisticated probes to map these reservoirs in greater detail. This could lead to the next generation of Mars exploration, where we are not just exploring the surface, but diving deep into the planet's hidden treasures. This discovery is a game changer, and it's just the beginning. We are entering a new era of exploration, one where the dream of living on Mars is becoming more of a reality every day. So what do you think? Could these hidden oceans be key to making Mars our second home? Let me know your thought in the comments below.